It's time for Wednesdays with Wagle. Dr. Jason Wagle with Kansas Perio and Dental Implants. Good morning, Dr. Wagle.
Good morning, Steve.
Dr. Wagle, I understand there's new research hot off the press showing a connection between dental health and mental health. I assume this is not just about people feeling anxious when they go to the dentist. What's the story on this?
Yeah, Steve. A new study conducted by the University of Birmingham in England that was published last week looked specifically at the dental health and mental health connection. It was a very large study involving around 64,000 people who had either gingivitis or periodontitis, which is a serious form of gum disease. And the researchers compared this group to 250,000 people who had no history of gum disease. That's
quite a study. What were the results then?
After controlling for other factors such as smoking and body mass index, the researchers found that those with periodontal disease at the start of the study had a 37% greater risk of developing mental health problems over the next 3 years. That's obviously a very significant number.
What kinds of mental health did they list here?
They identified anxiety, depression, and what they called other serious mental health issues.
As a periodontist, what's your conclusion from this then?
This study is another in a long line of investigations demonstrating the link between gum disease and other health problems, this time focusing mainly on mental health. It really reinforces the importance of prevention and early diagnosis and treatment, as well as the effective communication between dentists and other healthcare providers for a patient's overall health.
Were there any other findings in this study?
Yes. In addition to anxiety and depression, the study found a 33% increase in the risk of developing autoimmune diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis and some forms of diabetes. Oh. At Kansas Perio, we work closely with other dentists and physicians to treat periodontal disease in the context of overall health and wellness.
Hey, thanks for that eye-opening information, Dr. Wagle.
Thank you, Steve. And from all of us at Kansas Perio, I want to wish you and your listeners a very happy New Year.
Hey, and to you, too, all the folks out there at Kansas Perio. Have a great New Year. And, we'll talk to you. We'll talk to you next year, Dr. Wagle, okay?
Excellent. Thank you.
Right. Wednesdays with Wagle, sponsored by Kansas Perio and Dental Implants. When it's time to get serious about your smile, go to kansasperio.com. You can call them at 685-2731.